What if missing just a few days in the market cost you thousands of dollars? It sounds dramatic, but the truth is, the difference between building wealth and missing out can come down to just a handful of days. Most people don't realize how much is at stake when they try to outsmart the market. Seriously, imagine this. You're doing everything right. Saving, investing, planning for your future. But then you get tempted to get a little clever, waiting for the perfect moment to buy or sell, thinking you can outguess the market. It sounds smart, right? After all, who doesn't want to buy at the lowest and sell at the highest? Well, not so fast. When it comes to investing, there's this golden rule. Time in the market beats timing the market. But what does that really mean? It's a lesson that even seasoned investors sometimes forget, especially when markets get wild. Let's break it down. There are two main approaches people take when investing, and understanding the difference can change your financial future. Timing the market is when you try to guess when prices will rise or fall. You're constantly watching the news, tracking trends, and hoping to make the right move at the right time. Maybe you've heard people say, buy low, sell high. It's a catchy phrase, but actually pulling it off is much harder than it sounds. It's all about jumping in and out, hoping to catch those big moves. But the reality is, even the pros rarely get it right consistently. The market moves fast, and it's easy to get left behind. Time in the market, though, is a whole different game. Instead of trying to predict every twist and turn, you simply stay invested and let your money grow. It means staying invested, no matter what, riding out all the ups and downs over the years. This approach takes patience, but it's proven to work time and time again. It's the difference between gambling and growing. One is based on luck and risky bets, the other on steady, reliable progress. Here's where it gets real. The numbers don't lie, and the impact of missing just a few key days can be shocking. Picture this: if you put $10,000 into the S&P 500 back in 2003 and just left it alone until 2023, you'd have about $66,000. Not bad, right? That's the power of compounding and patience working together. But check this out. If you missed just the 10 best days in those 20 years, your return drops to around $30,000. That's less than half just from missing a few days. Miss the 20 best days? You're down to $17,000. The difference is staggering, and it all comes down to being out of the market at the wrong time. That's a massive difference, all because you tried to time the market and missed just a handful of great days. It's a risk that's simply not worth taking for most investors. You might be wondering, how is that even possible? How can just a few days make such a huge impact on your long-term returns? Well, the market's biggest gains often happen during wild times, when things feel the most uncertain. It's during those moments of chaos that the market can suddenly surge. And if you're trying to avoid the bad days, you usually end up missing the good ones too. The best days often come right after the worst, when most people are too scared to invest. It's almost impossible to predict when those jackpot days will happen. No one rings a bell when the market is about to soar. So what's the takeaway here? The lesson is simple, but powerful. Don't try to outsmart the market. Let the market work for you. Trying to outsmart the market is basically a gamble. You might get lucky once or twice, but over the long run, the odds are stacked against you. But staying the course, being patient, letting your money work for you, that's how you build real wealth over time. The most successful investors are often the most patient ones. Investing isn't about making the perfect move. It's about making consistent, smart decisions and letting time do the heavy lifting. It's about making time your best friend. The longer you stay invested, the more you benefit from growth, compounding, and those rare, incredible days. If you're ready to play the long game and let patience win, smash that like button and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes doing nothing is the smartest move of all. Stay patient, stay invested, and let your future self thank you.